Hey, how's it going? I'm about to demonstrate my new target I just got, my Hurricane Cat 5. Got it from Dunham Sports. And I'm gonna show how it works with my 10-point Siege crossbow. I know a lot of people complain about not having adequate targets for high-powered crossbows. So we about to demonstrate this real quick. I don't have a zero yet, but I'm just gonna show you my target. This is a demonstration more on the target than the actual crossbow. Now let's go look at it. I'm gonna call my niece over. Sanaa, come here.
Come on.
I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get an arrow out of it. Well, she just showed you. Hurricane Cat 5 target.
I want to try this.
Crossbows 400 feet per second and higher.